Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today is going to be an unboxing of another cheap Bluetooth speaker from Qilive or Qilive, I guess you can pronounce it. It is the Q1769 model. It does, at least on the box, it does say that it provides with 3 watts of output power. Good for the battery inside it. It's good for up to 3 hours of music listening, but I'm guessing that's going to be on the medium level. So yeah, at the full level, it's not going to last 3 hours. It is pretty compact. It is a bit of an older model than the previous one that you saw on my channel from Qilive. You'll see why in a moment. It does say that it has Bluetooth 5.1, sound power 3 watts, autonomy up to 3 hours, and from what it says on the box, it does seem to have a hands-free function. So I guess you can use this to answer calls or whatever else you need to do. So okay, let's unbox it. Okay, now first thing, in the box you can see it is a micro USB charging cable. The previous one from Qilive was the USB-C version, and yeah, quite a bit newer than this one. A few instruction manuals and warranty guides, I'm guessing. And the Bluetooth speaker itself. Let's get it out of this plastic bag. As you can see, pretty compact. Nothing fancy on it, just the branding here. This ring is a RGB ring, although it is not configurable through. It does not illuminate on the music's rhythm. If you play music, it's just going to be for ambient lighting, but it is quite dim. And on the bottom, a power button. It does have I don't know, soft rubber material finish on it. I don't know if it is waterproof. It might not be, but I'm guessing in the rain it should be okay. So let's power it on. Yeah, as you can see, the RGB ring around it, pretty dim. Okay, so now let's connect it to a phone. Alright, it is connected, and let's play some music on it okay, let's go.
Începe anul corect. Roata Unibet te așteaptă cu câștiguri zilnice garantate. Unibet.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Let's get it over to max.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
As you can quite hear, it is pretty loud. Unfortunately, it does not have any type of bass to it. It is just the mids and the highs that are pretty clear. So yeah, It is, I don't know, pretty cheap. I also found this one in the mall area at at Ocean supermarket. Don't know if you can find this one online also, but yeah, I guess it cost about $5-10, but it is pretty good to have one in the house if you just want to have a Bluetooth speaker laying around to play some music while you do work around the house. Also, from what it said, that it provides the hands-free function, so I guess you can answer calls and have conversations through this Bluetooth speaker. I'm guessing it does have a mic integrated into it. So yeah, I don't know, not much to say about it. Just a cheap Bluetooth speaker that is useful to have around the house. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Alright, see you.